kids, welcome to the number cut. Today we are going to learn percentages and its conversions. Conversions, percentages into fractions and fractions into percentages. So let's begin. So percentages into fractions, let us do first. I have written some questions here. 75% will do first. So 75%, that means 75 we are dividing by 100. So just remove the percent symbol and write 75 by 100. Now 75 by 100, always you see this is divisible, so we need to write the fraction in the lowest terms. So it will be 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. Now 60%, it is 60 by 100. Now 60 by 100, again we will write in the lowest term, it will be 3 by 5. So 0, 0 cancel, 3 to the 6. 5 to the 10. So 3 by 5. Now 4 by 7. First, this fraction we need to convert into improper fraction. So 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. So 25 by 7 divided by 100. Now 25 by 7 divided by 100 because percent. So we have to divide by 100. Now observe how do we write next. 25 by 7 and this is into 1 by 100. This is how we have to write. Now 25 and 100 we can cancel. So 25 4s are 100. So your answer is 1 by 28. 7 4s are 28. So 1 by 28. Now next we have 8.5%. So you can see this is in decimal. So please observe carefully how to convert it, how to write it. So 8.5, first we will write the percent, 8.5 by 100. Next we have to see we have one decimal place in the question. So we need to remove this decimal point. So you have to write again 8.5 by 100. Remove the decimal point. You can write 85 by 10 into 1 by 100. And then you can cancel and then write. So you can write 5 2s are 10 and 5 17s are 85. And now 17 by 2 into 100, 200. So 17 by 200. Now once more you please see this 8.5%. First we wrote it as a percent, 8.5 by 100. Next we have to remove the decimal decimal place from this numerator. So 85 by 10 into 100, 1 by 100. So next we have divided top and bottom, numerator and denominator, and we get 17 by 200. So this is how we convert percentages into fractions. I have taken different examples to explain you. 75%, 60%, then fractional number 3, 4 by percent, and then decimal number also 8.5%. I hope you are clear. Now next we will learn how to convert fractions into percentages. So when we have fractional number, how to convert into percentages? The simplest way, you can multiply by 100, okay, and write the percent symbol. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 100 and write the percent symbol. Now here you have to do your calculation. So 5 20. Yes, now 80%. See, 80%. So what did you do? We just wrote the fraction and multiplied by 100 and wrote the percent symbol outside the bracket. Now you cancel 4 by 5 into 100. So 5 20 times 100. And then 4 20 80. 4 into 20 80 becomes 80%. Now 7 by 20. In a similar way, 7 by 20 and multiply by 100 and write the percent symbol. Then here also 20 goes 5 times to 100. 7 5s are 35. 35%. Now next one, you can see 6 by 5. Now 6 by 5 multiply by 100. Now 5 goes 20 times. Now you can see 6, the numerator number is bigger. So percentage also you will get a bigger number. because it is more than 100 will come. Because numerator is 6 by 5, that means there is already one whole. Already one whole is there. So 1 by 5, no? So 6 by 5. So 5, now 6 by 5 we wrote the fraction and multiplied by 100. Now 5 goes 20 times. So 6 20 is a 120%, because it is already more than 100. You have more than 1. So that is why 120%. You will get bigger value. Now you have a fractional number 2 1 by 4. How do you do that? Now you have to convert this fractional number, mixed numbers into improper fraction. So 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 4. So first we converted the mixed number into improper fraction, and then you have to multiply by 100, and then 4 goes and write the percent symbol. 4 goes 25 times. 4 goes 25 times, and 25 nines are 225%. So you can see you have got a bigger value. So when you get the bigger value, don't get confused at why I got the bigger value, because you can see here. So when we converted the mixed number into improper fraction, you can see the 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 is improper fraction already. So you have more value, bigger value in the numerator, right? So that is why you will get the percentage also as a bigger value. So these are your answer. 80% you got, 4 by 5 80%, 7 by 20 35%, 6 by 5 120%, and 2 1 by 4, that is 9 by 4, you get 225%. So I hope you are clear with the explanation and the step-by-step calculation. So please practice more such sums so that you have a accuracy and fluency. So I feel this video was useful to you. So please share it and like and subscribe. Thank you.